You want to hear something funny? That whole video that I did of me saying that I wasn't going to be doing sneezing video was all a fucking prank. Before I recorded, I'm like, in the shower, I'm like, let me do a prank video. And so yeah, and I'm never doing that again because I just lost like fucking 6-7 subscribers. I went from 108 765 5. Fuck you. You can all subscribe back right now. I'm going to be doing a lot of snake videos now. And nose blowing videos and any other video you want me to do. Haha. Gotcha. Like, subscribe back, and I'll see you later. Bye.